Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be traveling to this national park nearby. It's about 2 hours, I guess. Yeah, a 2 hour drive from my house to this national park. It's called Serene. So we've booked a lodge over there, and yeah, it's pretty exciting because the lodge is located inside the jungle, and I've searched the photos on TripAdvisor, which say that there are zebras and giraffes which come by in the rooms and stuff like that. So I'm excited to go there. Oh shit, I don't look the part. Let me change it. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I know. I changed my clothes. I know, I look different now. Yeah, everything is perfect now. I'm about to leave. Okay, so I'm about to hop onto the bus. Okay, yeah. You'll be like, why is it a bus? You guys are only 3. Yes, me, but okay, so it's not only my parents and I. It is, so they're gonna be my parents' friends who are gonna join us. And guys, we're on the move. Peace. Okay, so we arrived at the gate, okay, and now there's about a 15-minute drive straight in here. Okay, so this is going to be deep inside the forest, and we might be able to see zebras and some giraffes and some other animals, but not predators like lions. Those can't be seen within these. It's like a small forest out here. So yeah, that's the bus, and yeah, we're going. The registration process is taking time, so I'm here in the jungle where, I don't know, like where a fox or, there's not those big kind of predators, but those small kind of predators like foxes and hedgehogs. Okay, yeah, they can be inside here, but not animals like lions. They don't come around here because there's a massive influence of men here. So yeah, that's the problem. So he's the gate guy who's taking the permit and everything, and yeah, so he's doing the final touches so that we can leave for the lodge. Okay, so we have arrived at Mwabvi Wildlife Lodge. To be honest, there are wild beasts just right there. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, those are just wild beasts over there. And I just saw 2 foxes on the way here. So yeah, there are predators, but they're like small ones. Okay, so as you can tell, there are so there's a lot of sofas. This is like the lobby, I guess. And to be honest, this place has a great view. Just check that view out, guys. Just check that view out. That's the lake. That's the Lake Manyara, right here. As you can, oh, check that out, guys. That's the Lake Manyara right there. That's super cool. Yeah, and the tents over there and here. So, as you can tell, everything over here is well set. And this is the reception, as you can tell. Walking into a room. It's called Twiga. So we have a guy with our luggages, and yeah, we're walking towards the room, but he says it's located right up at there. It's quite far away, near the wolf is there. So yeah, it's going to be exciting to see how this turns out. Oh, come on, yeah. I really want to, yeah, they're taking my stuff and walking towards the room. I'm excited to see Twiga. Until there's wild beast. It's about 20 meters from me. That's like quite close. And yeah, we walk into the room. There's the beautiful view of the lake right there, as you can tell. And yeah, so all these rooms have names. For example, this room's name is Chiriku. Okay, so this one's Chiriku and ours is Twiga. And And yeah, we have to go for it's long, like it's far away. We are like far away, so we have to walk a lot. As you can tell, the guy is carrying our luggages, which is quite nice. And yeah, we have a lot of wild beasts right here. It's pretty fun, to be honest. And my mom is right there.